Take a ride in the 2017 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, heated passenger seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.